Hi friends, welcome to First Motors. Today I review 2012 K5 gasoline. It's a prestige model, so the options are very good. It's a full options. The smart key, navigation, rear camera, sunroof. Okay, of course, a powered seat and so on. Let's check it out. It's white color, nice one. White on black ceiling, right? Very good. Here, let's check it out. Okay, already top lamp. Generally, and then black tire, black rim also. It's quite combination with black ceiling, right? Okay. Rear ramp, that's good. Okay, so this rim was beautiful, right? Black in K5. Okay, auto side mirror, powered seat, leather seats, quite good condition. Okay, let's check the back seat. Also heated seat at the back, quite good, right? The back seat also in a very good condition. Nice, right? Very good. Okay, let's check the trunk. Trunk and spacious and wide and good. Okay, the mileage is 147,000. It's quite good mileage. Let's stop. This is the memory seat. The seats are moving. Okay, start and stop. Moving. My seat is moving. Okay, very good. It's full options. Also, let's check the navigation. Quite good, right? So let's shift gear, retreat, neutral, drive. Okay, no mission sharp. Quite good. Okay. Also, the light is very bright. It's LED. Okay, it's a private one. High pass, black box. More of this one. Open sesame, sunroof. Okay, it's panorama sunroof. It's front and back, very wide. Okay, can you see at the back together? It's a panorama sunroof. Closed sesame. Okay, it's a very good, very nice one. And then also with the curtain. Wow, so good, very nice, right? So all buttons. Let's check the music. Okay, I couldn't find the signal, but radio is working.
하방 교수시라고.
Okay,
이거로
radio
굉장히
is
중요한 포인트라고 봐야 될 것 같고 또 한편으로는 박민식 후보는
Okay, I guess the rest of things are very fine. Wow, also ambient light, he made it. Anyway, this is K5 Prestige, the highest option with the sunroof, full options. Okay, in general, very good condition. And more of this one, I did engine boring, which means that we fixed the engine because it has a knocking sound. That's why I spent 1.5 million. That's why actually this car I'm losing, not earning, but I'm giving you the best price. Okay. If you like to drive a new engine, I guess you wouldn't have any problem as you drive this car. So this one, I'll sell you 5.8 million won. Okay, it's actually I'm losing a little bit, but I'll give you the best price in the market. 2012 model. Let's check it out and then let's have test driving. Okay, over the bump, no sounds from the suspension. So I turn on the air conditioner. Air conditioner is cool and nice. Okay, full right and full left turn. Okay, very fine. Let's go out. Anyway, friends, if you want to buy any used cars from Suwon SK V1 Motors, First Motors will serve you. Okay, you can choose cars from our website. And also not only these economic cars, also we have very fancy cars as well. So just come and check it out. We'll assist you. Okay. The engine sound is like a new car. Okay. Very smooth engine, nice engine because we fixed the engine at the cost of 1.5 million as I mentioned. Very nice one. Real smooth and nice. Okay. Okay friends, it's good to introduce this car, K5, the most demanded one. White color with sunroof, smart key, full options. And also one more merit, as I mentioned, we did engine boring, then we fixed the engine. So it's like a new engine, okay? We replaced the piston inside and other parts as well. So it's real nice. Good, let's go. Driving. Okay, as I drive this one, acceleration very good, brakes also okay, engine sound of course, like a new car, very soft, full acceleration, very good. Okay, brakes also nice. Okay friends, as I have this review, 2012 K5 of full options. I think this is a nice car, and as I mentioned there, the best merit of this car is we fix the engine. Okay, fixing engine is very costly, like fixing transmission, fixing engine, a very high price. Okay, because I'm a dealer, even I paid 1.5 million, but if you fix it, it's about 2 million. Okay, we fixed the engine, so no problem to take this one. I hope to see you very soon. Thank you. Okay, bye.